Welcome back to Orage Technologies. Moving forward in the free cybersecurity course, today we'll discuss some of the most important cybersecurity tools. Let's get started. First we have Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a widely used cybersecurity tool designed for testing web applications. It is developed by Portswigger, a company specializing in web security tools. It has several versions that cater to different user needs and levels of functionality. Burp Suite Community Edition. This version is free and is aimed at individuals and small teams who need basic web security testing capabilities. It includes essential tools like the proxy, scanner, repeater, and intruder. 1. Identifies web security issues. 2. Intercepts and modifies HTTP/S traffic. 3. Automatically maps out website structures. 4. Manually tests and modifies HTTP requests. 5. Automates attacks to test application resilience. Burp Suite Professional. This is the paid version of Burp Suite, offering additional features and capabilities beyond what is available in the Community Edition. Advanced scanning functionalities. Targeted scanning configurations. Enhanced support for automation and integration. Collaborative tools for team-based testing. Priority support from Portswigger. Burp Suite Enterprise Edition. This version is designed for larger organizations and security teams that require scalable and centralized web security testing solutions. Centralized management and control over multiple users and scanners. Integration with CI/CD pipelines and other enterprise systems. Reporting and analytics at scale. Dedicated support for large deployments and enterprise needs. Second on our list is SQLmap. SQLmap is a powerful tool used for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. It automates the process of identifying and exploiting these vulnerabilities to gain access to databases, retrieve sensitive information, and execute commands on the underlying server system. 1. Automatically detects and exploits SQL injection vulnerabilities. 2. Retrieves database details like names, tables, and columns. 3. Extracts data from the database through SQL injection. 4. Provides access to the underlying file system on the server. 5. Executes operating system commands on the server remotely. Third cybersecurity tool is MAP. MAP, Network Mapper, is a versatile tool used for network exploration and security auditing. It scans networks, identifies hosts, services, and their attributes, and detects vulnerabilities and open ports. Conducts comprehensive scans to identify open ports on target systems. Determines the services running on discovered ports, including their versions. Attempts to identify the operating system running on target hosts based on network responses. Supports scripting for automation and customization of scanning tasks. Generates detailed maps of network topology, including host relationships and connectivity. Next is WPScan. WPScan is a specialized tool designed for WordPress security testing and vulnerability scanning. It checks WordPress installations for weaknesses, such as outdated plugins, themes, and core files, and helps in securing WordPress websites against potential threats. Identifies vulnerabilities in WordPress core, plugins, and themes. Attempts to discover valid WordPress usernames, which could aid in brute force attacks. Lists installed plugins and themes along with their versions, helping to identify outdated or insecure software. Checks for security headers implemented on the WordPress site to ensure best practices are followed. Searches for backup files and other sensitive information left exposed on the server, which could pose security risks. Last but not the least is Wireshark. Wireshark is a widely used network protocol analyzer that captures and displays network packets in real time. It allows network administrators, security professionals, developers, and anyone interested in network traffic analysis to inspect packets and analyze their content. Captures and displays network packets as they are transmitted. Supports a wide range of protocols for detailed packet decoding. Allows users to apply filters to capture specific packets of interest. Reassembles fragmented packets for comprehensive analysis. Specialized tools for monitoring and troubleshooting voice over IP, VoIP communications. So, there you have it, Burp Suite, SQL Map, Map and Wireshark.